Israel has carried out a military airstrike near Syria's presidential palace in Damascus. The operation took place early Friday and marks Israel's second strike in the region this week. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu confirmed the attack in a joint statement with Defense Minister Israel Katz. He described it as a direct warning to the Syrian regime over recent sectarian violence. Netanyahu said, and I quote, Israel struck last night near the presidential palace in Damascus. This is a clear message to the Syrian regime. We will not allow Syrian forces to deploy south of Damascus or any threat to the Druze community. End quote. The Israeli military also confirmed the strike, stating it targeted an area adjacent to the palace of President Hussein al-Shara. However, no details were shared about what exactly was hit. This strike comes in the backdrop of growing violence between Druze and Sunni groups in southern Syria. Tensions erupted in Jaramana, a Druze majority suburb near Damascus, after an audio clip circulated online. The clip allegedly insulted the Prophet Muhammad. While Druze cleric Marwan Kiwan denied any involvement, violence quickly escalated. The fighting spread to Sahanaya, another Druze populated area near the capital. According to the UK based Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, 56 people have died in the violence so far, including security forces and armed locals. Syria's information ministry confirmed that at least 11 security personnel were killed in two separate incidents. The recent escalation has prompted strong reactions from Israel, which has long viewed the stability of the Druze community, especially in border areas, as a strategic priority. This military response also comes amid growing Israeli concern about Syria's new leadership. President Ahmad al Shara, who assumed power after Bashar al Assad's ouster last December, is a former Al Qaeda commander. Though he renounced terrorism in 2016 and has promised inclusive governance, his Islamist background has raised alarm bells in Israel. Groups like Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, which dominate parts of the new Syrian regime, are of particular concern to Israeli intelligence. The spiritual leader of Syria's Druze community, Sheikh Himmat al-Hijri, strongly condemned the recent violence. He called the government's actions an unjustified genocidal attack on the Druze. The Druze are a small but influential religious minority spread across Syria, Lebanon, and Israel, with significant populations in the Israeli occupied Golan Heights. Since Assad's fall, Israel has increased its operations in southwestern Syria, signaling a commitment to protect Druze communities and counter extremist forces. Israeli leaders have also been pressing US authorities to maintain pressure on the fragmented Syrian leadership. As the region teeters on the brink, this strike underscores Israel's willingness to act unilaterally to defend and what it sees as vital regional interests.